part 11 of What the F is she wearing in the Philippines? So, oh yeah. Anyways, bakit hindi naman kasi naka-bottom up, button? Bakit naman kasi hindi naka-button up, button down? So for the pants, I'll be wearing this wide leg pants and very baggy. So gusto kong feel free ako today. So this is what I'm going to wear. Gusto ko lang maging feel free and super like For my top, this is a bit loose. So for today, loose yung atake ko. I want to have a loose pants and a loose top. So this is the one that I want. So red is power, red is bolder, red is fiercer, red is stronger. So, ayan, for the loose yung atake natin for today. And with an extra showcase ng skin. And this is again for the shoes. You've seen it already na. And I'm gonna wear it again because why not? Right? Left. Ooh. Thank you for the lovely bouquet. I'm married to the husband. Charet. I'll protect the family from you. Ay. Things on red then para red is power. And this is for my bag. Wait, let me see. You are so beautiful. Like a very true Filipina. Chararat. So this is my outfit. And let's do a quick 360 and a walk. Sino ka dyan? That's it. So, bye!